hotter. Hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
This video is sponsored by Island-Wide Express. If you've ever shopped online and wanted your packages delivered to Jamaica for free, create your free account today. You'll be able to shop from online retailers and have your packages delivered to your doorsteps in Jamaica for free. Members also get to ship letters and documents under £0.5 for free. Enjoy real-time tracking, text and email alerts, weekend deliveries, and several other benefits.
That's what people big up on themselves. I don't know the thing, man. I don't know what's a NEWLINK there from NEWLINK production. And we say attack. So Island-Wide Express, them we are work with, don't. Well, my viewers and subscribers, right now, people, boy, may I tell you, I have this thing to talk about now, people, and it's no joke. You get me? I say, it's a real thing right now, and NEWLINK I tell us, say, boy, Jamaica. Well, my viewers and subscribers, it is where NEWLINK, you know, we always read people and, you know what I mean, explore and so on, going out there, whether Jamaica, whether anywhere in the world, right? So I was reading this article now, people, and it's where a female out of Jamaica is writing to this editor, people. And this female is saying right now, boy, she give her man bun and she lose her man, but boy, for one man we're not even dead worth it. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. That one is sweetie, man. Well, my viewers and subscribers, this female who said this thing happened a couple of years ago, people, said she did have this nice and good up man with a nice job and thing, people. But she said her man have one best friend, you understand, good friend, but the man trusts her so much and trusts him friend, people. Like she said, the man with all left him best friend in a yard with her and thing and gone at work, left a friend anytime in the business, them chill, them do this together because, you know what I mean, the man have this friend as a real friend. So she said, evening and night, sometime, the man either come over there, friend, and chill and relax and they have a good time. So she said, one at the time now, the friend come over there, people, because the man gone to work and thing, and the friend, and you know what I mean, they start reasoning, they start talking, and the friend and say, boy, me tell you the truth, you know, babes. You know, say your boyfriend a be a bunny maggie and thing, and me not rate that you not deserve that, you understand, because you look good. And if I me did have a woman like you in my life, me I tell her this, yo, me would have treat you, so me would have cheat on you. But she say she never see, you know what I mean, or know if he man do nothing, but because of the best friend tell her that she kind of just believe and thing. So she say she start drawing to the man and get closer. They start even get closer people and friendships start develop more and the reason. So say one of the day now, when her man comes up and gone to work and thing, the friend call her and come over and the friend, they have a conversation until they come up and the friend and her go and look at hotel people. So say they like hotel people and boy, something start going and say, boy, the man put on a piece of eating for our people. Oh my word, oh my. So one of the best eating she ever get because when the man put on eating, people come like she reach a heaven, tore the man bad. So she say, yo. So she said some woman didn't know when a fear time now for she go, you know what I mean, do her part now, people say our phone rings, so boom. So when take up her phone and she look on the phone, people, she comes boom. Is her, you know what I mean, her man that. So she comes boom and the man's like, man, I say, where the babes and thing? He say, you know what I say? Me there a supermarket with a friend who me a shop some good. So she said, she just comes up and put on the phone, people. You know what I mean? Because she in at the moment and she in it and the man there that the eatings there and the vibes lick her people. She dip on a cloud 9. Not your cloud 9, cloud 1,000 million. You understand? So she put on the phone now, people. But why? Say it comes up and the man my boy start put on the work now. But you say the man put on the work so fast, so quick in. So less than 5 minutes the man pull off, the man pop off. So she said she can't believe, but she said all of the man intention was that him have to get film released before she. So she said in the end, people, she never feel so pleased because the 5 minute can't hold her, because when fear real man I put it on her people, you might go out 30 minutes, you know what I mean, furlong and I beat it like a jockey and I go on with it, you know what I mean. But you said this time when I go put on it, feed us what? Oh my world, oh my people, just know it. Less than 5 minutes. So in the end now when she comes to boom, take up the phone, people, but she not realize it. She just put down the phone, you know. You get me? I say, she just comes up, boom, put down the phone and never realize it. She never hang up the phone. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. That one a sweetie, man. She said when she comes up, boom now, she go shop and get local grocery, you know what I mean? Because she want the look thing to look good and look great. So she go get local grocery now. She don't get too much still and come back in. When she come back, she see the man at the doorway stand up. You know what I mean? So she say, she's like, she come and say, behave so, you know what I mean? So the man say, yo, look on your phone. But she comes up, boom, people. When she look to rotted, the phone line still open up. She said she couldn't believe because the phone line still open, people. So she comes up, boom now, and said, jeez and peace. She said she can't believe, she don't know what to do. She feel like run. She said she dropped the bag of ground, people. She don't know what to do. Like if she could have sink on that urge to sink on. They said the man comes up, boom, and give her, boom, a gladiator box, black eye. So when the man carry the gladiator box, people, but deep inside the man never continuously beat her up and anything that was things saying that, but so normally the man will beat her and anything that, but maybe through hurt and put her in a box pan her. So the man comes up and start make her organize and draw the neighbor them come at the gate, everybody are looking at so I go and cause the man start cuss. So the man comes up on people and dash out all her clothes are grown, everything are grown, everything and fling out her clothes them. So she said, right now people, she and the man left from that, you know what I mean, them not together no more. And she said the saddest part about it, people, to tell her right now. She said the man, right, that her baby daddy and the best friend is still friends right now. And she said in the end the man said, well, it's better to have a real friend than have a hoe. So I'm choosing best friend than to choose a hoe because I'm looking at her as a hoe. You understand, people? And I say if she was real, she could have gone there so to that man in best friend. You get me? I say. So in the end now, people, story finished this now. NEWLINK have to really think when we see that story in the people and have to look at the whole heap of crazy and corner and say, boy, John was star. Number one, me I say, yo, the woman is wrong. And number one, me I say, no, the friend is a dirty thinking friend. Attack for your boy. Straight attack. You're not real. There's no friend. Attack for you. See, woman, you get the attack too. Because if you have a man and you're real to the man, you should have never gone lay with the man best friend. And the man is a wicked and a cruel and a deceiver. Because you plot up. See, you go tell the woman say the man a burn him now. Just because you want to get between the, even if the man a keep it on and a put it on. But you do it because now you want to go between the man, woman, something so. Not true. Eh? And deep inside, what happened now? But people, I can't tell them this. I'm looking to the whole thing. See, the baby, the man who is our man, personal man, who was, right? Him should never friend back this man who he call friend. Me that cut him off. He could have been my brother. See, me I go cut him off the so. Everything I go finish the so. But him decides him chose him friend over. But me not chose none. Be better me cut him off people. If he want to go on to her and go on to her. Why sense it make? So this is cheaping they keep him home and then I let go the friend. You understand? Me would you know make the sense I choose one the friend. You get me? But in the end, viewers and subscribers, them thing you go on for real. Enough man I go through them something here. You have a man who you think of your friend. And your brother too, you know. And I tell her this, you know. He might beat it up on the day, you know. Me not tell us if I go watch you man 24/7 now, you know. Me not tell us if I go wide and hot now and go watch now, you know. But me gonna tell it to happen. Not just Jamaica. Them thing you go on worldwide, globally. See, enough man I get bunny, you know. And enough woman I get it too, you know. It happen, people. So in a situation like this, viewers and subscribers, all I want to do, see, leave in the comment section. What would you do if you was in that man position? Zane, what would you cut off the woman, keep the friend? Will you cut off both parties, or what would you do? Or would you keep the woman, cut off the friend, or would you try to keep both of them same way? What would you do? But me give my opinion and my views towards the people. And as I tell you, me I give the woman attack for you. And me I give this friend now, who is a so-called friend, as me tell you, attack for you. And me I go style you again, a dirty thinking friend. You is no good friend. You understand? You is a crow bait. You is no good friend because that what you do, you should never have done it to your friend. The man have you as his best friend. The man trust you, the man rate you, the man respect you. That's why the man live in a house. But me people, me not trust nobody. I'm telling all the while, you know. Me say me not even trust me not trust nobody. Oh, me say not even rugo me trust me puss. Me not even trust me fall me roast out. That's how I crow. Me not trust nothing. But viewers and subscribers, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Big up to yourself, you know. Follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK_production official. On Facebook, NEWLINK production. On Twitter, NEWLINK production. And people, Watch this now. Island-wide express, check out this now. Peace out. Some people, see Island-wide express people, them are the real deal, and are them NEWLINK I work with. Whether you're the America and you have a family at Jamaica, or you know you want to ship anything to them people, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Island-wide express is the real deal. And here we go now, people. You sit down in the description there, you go see the link them, and you go see the sign up place where you can just come to boom and go sign up. And you see where you say NEWLINK promotions there with Island-wide express people. Once you click the sign up and do your sign up, here we go now. Just message customer service through WhatsApp and make them know say you have NEWLINK promotions to sign up from. And here we now, you go get a £5 shipping coupon free, and you have that valid for 30 days. So I eat me, I work with people. You see right now, me I go pop my big box. So with my grocery them, and me I go send that right then to Jamaica right now through a Island-wide express. And them are the real deal. Go in the description and sign up. No, attack them NEWLINK Island-wide express. Them me I work.